Hola! Welcome to our Spanish lesson for today. You're going to be needing some equipment to help you with your learning today. You'll need some paper to write on, a pen or a pencil to write with, and also some colouring pencils or colouring pens. So if you don't have those things in front of you now, just pause the video, pop and get them, and then press play again when you're ready to continue. What we're going to be doing today is making sure that we can say and understand those 12 colours in Spanish, and then we're going to use them for some short descriptive sentences using the verb forms soy, eres, and es. First of all, let's have a practice of our colours. Are you ready? Escuchad y repetid. Rojo, rojo. Azul, azul. Amarillo, amarillo. Verde, verde. Negro, negro. Blanco, blanco. Rosa, rosa. Violeta, violeta. Gris, gris. Marrón, marrón. Naranja, naranja. Multicolor, multicolor. Now let's make things a bit more tricky. Let's take those words away and we'll have one more practice of these color words. Escuchad y repetid. Rojo, amarillo, azul, verde, blanco, negro, rosa, violeta, naranja, marrón, gris, multicolor. How did you get on with those not having the words there to help you? Let's see if you can remember those colours without the words there. So I'm going to say one of the colours. All you need to do, please, is to point to the right one. So here's the first one. Verde. Verde. Are you pointing to verde? Let's see if you've got the right one. Verde. Next one. Marrón. 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 Have you got it? There's marrón. The next one is rosa. Rosa. Whereabouts is rosa? Here it is. And what about blanco? Blanco. Which one is blanco? Can you point to it? There's blanco. Next is multicolor. Multicolor. Can you point to multicolor? There it is. And how about violeta? Violeta. Can you point to that one? That's the one. Next is amarillo. Amarillo. Which one is amarillo? That's right, it's that one there. And can you find naranja? Naranja. Where is naranja? That's right, it's that one. And which one is azul? Azul. Can you find azul? There it is, there's azul. And can you find gris? Gris. Where is gris? That's it. And where is negro? Negro. Can you point to negro? That's the one. And the last one to find is rojo. Rojo. Can you find rojo? There it is. Well done, well found. So we've been practicing, haven't we? Some short descriptive sentences using this verb form soy. So that first sentence there is soy de color blanco. Soy de color blanco. Can you remember what that sentence means? Soy de color blanco. That's right. It means I am of the color white. I am of the color white. And if we want to change the color, we just swap our color words in at the end. So let's practice these 4 sentences that we can see on the screen here. Escuchad y repetid. Soy de color blanco. Soy de color violeta. Soy de color amarillo. Soy de color marrón. Well done. Try saying them along with me this time. Are you ready? Here we go. Soy de color blanco. Soy de color violeta. Soy de color amarillo. Soy de color marrón. Well done. So here are the 4 sentences that we've just been saying. I'm going to give you a little bit of time to practice those by yourself. So press pause, have a few goes of saying them through to yourself, and then press play again when you're ready to continue. How did you get on? You think you're good at those sentences now? Let's see if you can use those to say the next ones with new colours. Ready to say them along with me? Here we go. Soy de color naranja. Soy de color rosa. Soy de color verde. Soy de color negro. Soy de color gris. Soy de color azul. Soy de color rojo. Well done. Did you notice that I gave you less and less help as we went along? So we've been putting soy de color with all 12 of our colours. So we've been making sentences like soy de color verde, soy de color gris, soy de color rosa, and so on. Now, I mentioned at the beginning that we're going to be doing some different descriptive sentences. And here is one of them. Instead of soy, we're going to be using eres. And look, it's got question marks upside down at the beginning, right way round at the end. So we're asking a question. And for our action for eres, we're not going to point to ourselves because it doesn't mean I am. We're going to point to somebody close to us. Okay? Eres. Okay? Eres. Any ideas? What do you think the sentence eres de color rosa? What do you think that would be? Eres de color rosa? What do you think it would be? That's right, it's asking, are you? Are you of the colour pink? We're asking a question. And when we ask a question in Spanish, we have to make our voice go up at the end. Up at the end to ask a question. Because if the question marks weren't there, Eres de color rosa would be you are the colour pink. But if we ask a question saying, are you the colour pink? It's only the question mark and the voice going up at the end. That makes it different. So let's have a try of these 4 sentences. Escuchad y repetid. ¿Eres de color rosa? ¿Eres de color rojo? ¿Eres de color amarillo? ¿Eres de color azul? And did you hear how our voice was going up at the end there? Let's just take a little time out and see if we can hear some questions, see if we can hear when our voice goes up at the end. So I'm going to ask you sí for yes or no for no. Is it a question? Is it not a question? So listen, if my voice goes up at the end, it's a question. If my voice doesn't go up at the end, it's not a question. Okay, listen carefully. Here's the first one. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? What do you think? Question or not question? That's right. Sí. It is a question. ¿Cómo te llamas? My voice went up at the end, didn't it? How about this one? ¿Está lloviendo hoy? ¿Está lloviendo hoy? Sí or no? Question or not a question? That's right. That was another question. ¿Está lloviendo hoy? Is it raining today? Yes, it is. Try this one. ¿Está lloviendo hoy? ¿Está lloviendo hoy? What do you think? Question or not question? That's right, that one was not a question. In fact, it's the same words as the last one, but it's not a question. The first one was, is it raining today? Question. This one is, it is raining today. Same words, but it's the question marks and the way we shape our voice that makes it different. Here's another one for you. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? Question, not question. What do you think? That's right, that was another question. If you want to ask somebody the time in Spanish, you say, ¿Qué hora es? And here's another one for you. Tengo un gato. Tengo un gato. Question, not question. That's right, that's another one, not a question. Tengo un gato. I have a cat. Not a question. I have a cat. And the last one. ¿Tienes un lápiz? ¿Tienes un lápiz? Question, not a question. That's right, that was a question. ¿Tienes un lápiz? Do you have a pencil? So can you hear when we ask a question in Spanish, we have to make our voice go up at the end to sound like a question. Otherwise, it just sounds like a statement, like a normal sentence. So when we ask somebody else, what color are you? We use eres de color, and then we put the color on the end. But here is a third form, and look, there's not even a speech bubble in this one. There's an arrow, and it says es de color naranja. So we're not pointing to ourselves for soy, not to someone close to us for eres, but this time it's somebody far away for es. Es de color naranja. Any ideas? It's not I am, it's not are you. Have you got an idea? Right, it's either he is or she is or it is. We're pointing at somebody or something far away and saying what colour he or she or it is. Let's have a practice then of these 4 sentences. Escuchad y repetid. Es de color naranja. Es de color verde. Es de color negro. es de color gris. Well done. So we use es for he is or she is or it is. Let's see if we can use those now to describe these things. Because we can say it is of the colour and then put its colour in. So here's something that's green. How are we going to say it is of the colour green? What needs to go first for it is? That's right, es. What always comes next before the colour? De color. And which colour is it? That's right, it's verde. So we would say es de color verde. Somebody said, what colour's that ball? Oh, es de color verde. How about this one? What would our sentence be here? Because it's not green this time, it's pink. That's it. Es de color rosa. And this one? You think you've got it? Es de color multicolor. That's rainbow fish, isn't it? And this one? What would our sentence be here? Es de color gris. And this one here? Es de color naranja. Well done. Can you see that we can use this sentence to describe the colour of anything that we like, anything that we need to point to say what colour he or she or it is. So we have soy, which is I am, soy. Then we have eres for are you. And finally, we saw es, which is he is or she is or it is. Now, time for a little bit of writing and drawing. What I would like you to do is to use this sentence builder that you can see at the top of the screen to help you to write 10 short sentences describing 10 different things. If you want to, you can draw a little picture. It might be a little person or a little toy, a little shape, and then choose if it's going to be soy for I am, eres for are you, or es for he is or she is or it is. But all of those follow the arrow, and they all need to be followed by de color, and then pick your colour out of the box that's above my head here. It would be lovely if you could do a mixture of soy sentences, eres sentences, and es sentences. So remember, always start on the left-hand side with soy, eres, or es. Then follow the arrow, put de color, follow the arrow again, put your colour on the end, full stop, and your sentence is done. Can you see the example that I've put just here? Is a little blue bear, and so I would say es de color azul. He is of the colour blue. So pause the video, have a go at that, and then press play again when you're ready to continue. So how did you get on with that? Have you got 10 things, different colours, and have used soy, eres, and es to talk about them? Well done. You've worked really hard today. Well done with those colours. Buen trabajo. Adios. See you next time.